I say our landlord children they eat for our neighbor house. I say stop, their mama they like and I say uncle leave us. My mama say anywhere I will see food more they chop. Oh. Everywhere don't rugged, brah. See the price of fuel now. When last you see convoy? Baba stole my left eye.
M.O.P. Sleep of Tall.
Ladies and gentlemen,
make some noise.
For one of the brightest stars of media, M.O.P.
Thank you. Oh man, see my demo. First of all, I want to say no, M.O.P. be this. M.O.P. be this. No, now original drink I buy, so I understand. It's in a capella. Baba, see condition of this country. Guy, he's one key introvert. Introvert won't die. I got Dutch. Oh, my guy, talk about the price of bread now, bro. You don't buy bread recently. You know that the way bread take cost now. I'm not sure say bread go the green roll with akara. Bread go don't get price. You say, I go spoil this my performance. So Jesus, who they do that thing? Money from everywhere.
One more.
Hold on. Dutch. Now I know why. Guy, no. This is the most trying time ever. No, they just allow the money to roll. You know that time was small, If children, if big man children, their neighbor house they eat, their mama will come beat them. Now, Baba food no there anywhere. I say our landlord children they eat for our neighbor house. I say stop, their mama they like and I say uncle leave us. My mama say anywhere I will see food more they chop. Oh. Everywhere don't rugged, brah. See the price of fuel now. When last you see convoy? Baba stole my left eye. I don't suffer. Things. And you know that at this period, you go just stay your house, everything go finish at once. Everything go finish. Your milk, your Milo, everything, food, everything go just finish at once. Baba, this thing don't turn chakwando. I know if it's on, I just spoil my performance so for this economy. Baba spoil them. Are they mad? You know, as I slim. You know that any day where you on gas, one cook. You can't tell yourself, so boy, this my gas don't last though. Now that day they finish. Oh. You know? If them born you were boy beans, just say you want boy beans, you're gone. And after you go to beg your neighbor to make you be using gas, they finish your Baba, this Nigeria condition. See price of fuel. How much be fuel for your area? When last you see convoy? What's going on? Baba, I perform. And I just they perform. Okoloba. They perform. You have 15 minutes. Take my time. Baba, it takes God's grace for this economy to do show. All these men come out to one beg, one clap for God. side. Now, wow. Thank God I don't bring my parents. I greet you, Koloba. Last 2 years, you there abroad, send money, he pay you, say you don't come. Now you want to make it up. So I will they spray me like this. I hope I don't resemble girl for this stage. M.O.P. What did I really do now?
Clap for Jesus.
Baba man has spray me. I don't try.
Clap for Jesus.
No worry. Just come down. Leave him. As far as he take stage, leave him. See the way economy dey. You know say with the way fuel price dey now. Gone are the days where you go on drive come out, you go come out, come first warm your car. No fuel for that warming. Once you put key, au revoir. This economy be like this. Irresponsible man, no know what God do for am. Because you go even go your junior sister wedding, family go contribute your transport, so you go use go back. Still give you food stuff from the wedding. I mean they say a shower way in landlord na humanizer, I don't know what God do for am. Because you're not going to pay with cash. Church, oh my guy, go this Sunday now because of fuel. They no agree on gent in church food. Pastor say make everybody on their touch, Baba. Guy, this show, bro, I never suffer like this before. You know the way things dey now, you get the way you go lodge for hotel, then go say make everybody come for reception, come watch TV. Say na small gen they on. Is that bad oh? My experience for this show, you get one chairman. Where in table day? Once I put coming soon of my show, now in the first buy table. This year. And that chairman tell me, so boy, you know say, I did for you. If you want to pick anybody for airports, I go help you do running around. Say, you know, so I get 2 cars, I go fuel them. Anything where you want, that day, oh. You know, the way you finish, you know, the way you post your show, you know, the chairman, they get attitude, they get character. If you send BC, these big men, they need to reply. So, you know, anytime where anyone you post, in repost, just don't say don't broke. Because they don't really get that time, bro. They don't really. I know that once you do show like this, or chairman promise you money, you can greet them every time for WhatsApp. Where young money? If you know how many good money, sir, why send this young money? Baba, he no be saying this, he busy. Send anything he post, I go like. Anything he post, I go say nice one. You come post one WhatsApp, they hang on. The thing never really show that right nice one. I don't know say na in frame, Mama will die.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.